Hello, I would like to show you my new application. It's called YoutubeLinks. I created this app because I wanted to make an application that can download YouTube links, and I can create a playlist with links and just press one button to download the whole playlist of my links. I wanted to create this app for MP3 files, so songs, but it also works with MP4 files, videos. And yes, let's go. So here's the source code on my GitHub. Link will be in the description below video. So here's the source code. I tested this program on MP3 files that have that length and that size, and MP4 files with that length and that size. I did not test bigger sizes. So my app can not work correctly with bigger files, but you can test and try. Just to clarify that I created it to download playlists as MP3 files, not MP4. It works, but it's not intended to or just MP3 files. So here's how to launch it. Just enter the project and run the docker compose command to build all the containers. So backend, it's web API in C#, it's Minimal API, Blazor WebAssembly frontend on that port, MS SQL database, and sec API logs, just to trace requests and responses that we are getting from the API, from our backend. We have the login credentials for admin and users to test our application. If you want to run it, you can just simply download the source code, run these commands, and it should run 4 containers, and just open this in your Google Chrome or browser, any browser. So that's it. If you have any problems, there's an issue opened, and you can if you will have some problems running the Docker, you can just run it with manually with local database. There you can see how to do it. So here's a presentation of my app, but I will show you how to run it, and I will show you this app. Also, I would like to mention that the architecture is monolithic, but with vertical slices. So code is separated by features, not by layers. Also, there are projects: API, Blazor WebAssembly project, shared projects which contains requests and responses, and also validators for backend and frontend. So we don't copy this code to 2 projects, just have one project here. We have unit test projects. There are validators and API handlers tests covered. Also, I have end-to-end project. I will show you here. It's end-to-end project using Playwright. If you want, you can run the test and see how it works. Also, I was testing Vue framework. I do not like JavaScript, but I was messing some with JavaScript. But it's experimental and don't run it. Blazor WebAssembly is okay. It's running good. I used Entity Framework Core as ORM for mapping tables and to entities in my code. I used Mediator library to do CQRS pattern, so my vertical slices are working correctly. Also, I used Fluent validation on backend and frontend. Validators are in shared projects, so I don't repeat validation in frontend and backend, just write it once in shared project. Also, I use Fluent email library to send emails, Serilog for API logging, JWT bar tokens for authorization. Also, I'm refreshing these tokens. Swagger UI for API endpoints, and that I can manually run these endpoints and test it. yt-dlp, it's a library that you can download YouTube videos and any data from YouTube, and I'm using this library with YouTube del-sharp and ffmpeg to download MP3 and MP4 files, and also get the video titles from YouTube from links. In Blazor, I'm using MadBlazor library. I really like MadBlazor. I think it's one of the best libraries for Blazor. Fluent validation, I told it, and local storage for storing JWT token or some data. I will show you it later. Here's some features. I will cover it in my presentation later. We have the roles, and we can browse. We have users, an admin, and anonymous user can view website data, but without CRUD operations, so we cannot delete, update, or create any resources. We can just download some link or anonymously or do something like that. I forgot to mention that this project was created for 100 commits competition. You can go to this website. The idea is that you have 100 days to create your project, and here are some good projects to see and learn something from these projects. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I will show you these features. I wrote it here, and I will delete them when I show you how this feature works. So let's start. I will open Visual Studio. Here's my code. You can see the layers, API layer, Blazor layer, but I will not see this now. I can record a video about it later, about some specific topic if you want. But now I will just show you this app and how it works. Let's go here and now run this command. And Docker is working, is setting up 4 containers here. They will refresh and they will run, but now we are waiting for it. I will drink some water. And the presentation will start. Let's see. So here's our containers. sec for logging, database for database, API, it's API layer that are connecting to database, and Blazor layer that are connecting to the Blazor layer are talking to API layer. So as you can see, the container is started. They're green now, and let's open it. Let's open sec. It's a logger. As you can see, there are some request responses or errors. We will see how it's working. The database is running. I will show you. Here's it's dbware. We can see our database here. Tables. We have links table. Here you can see some links. Playlists. There are 2 playlists. And here are users. It's simple app, but it do what it needs to do, nothing more. Straight to the point. Here is Blazor app and API. So when we move across this app, here we are fetching the users, and as you can see, the logs are updating. I will close it. It's just for presentation. Here is API. There are links endpoints, playlist endpoints, and users endpoints. User can have many playlists, and playlists can contain many links. So these are the relations between these entities. So let's go to Blazor, and I will show you what's here. We have user. We can register a new user, and but I will start I will start from there and go for all of the features. So register new user and send confirmation email. We will register user, test user on my test email. So let's go here, click register. Here's test mail, test user. Password is very hard. I will show you, no problem. This password I'm using for test users, so you can log in with the test accounts here, or you cannot create the account because it's linked to my Gmail, so it don't work. If you want to use Gmail and log in and register a feature in my app, you should link your email to application in app settings. So you can do it, but my email will not work because you know, authentication and stuff like that. Okay, so we register, and then we will get the email. Success. Okay, success. We have the email. We can go there and confirm email. Our email has been confirmed. Okay, so we can now log in. Email confirmation successfully. Yeah, your email has been successfully confirmed. That's great. It's my test email, so let's log in with that email. Come on. Login and password. Login, and we are logged in. When you log in, you have my playlist tab here. If you don't log out, you don't have this feature. So let's go. Let's see features. Register new user, send confirmation email. Yes, it's working. Resend confirmation email. We can remove our user and register this in one more time, just for testing purposes. Log out, log in. We don't have the user now. We just test user. Oh, passwords are not matching. No. Oh, my mistake. Okay. And now if we don't confirm this email, we can use that feature to resend confirmation email. So we go to login, resend confirmation email. We write our email, resend confirmation email. The success, and we get the email confirmation resended email. So we can confirm it now. It's important if user deletes email and he wants to create an account, the recent email should work. Yeah, let's confirm this email, and now we can log. Oh no. We can log in. Login. Now it will not work because we already confirmed the email, so we get the validation error, and email is successfully confirmed. So yeah, resend confirmation email, confirm user registration, send registration success email. Yes, it's working. Login user, yeah, we can log in. So here. No, I'm logged in here. Too much tabs. Here's logged in test user. As you can see, what's this? It's probably from validation error. We can see application, local storage. Yeah, here. We can see access and refresh token. Refresh token is for JWT refresh. In about 15 minutes or something like that, the token is refreshed, so the session is stored. You can see it here. Refresh token request to happens, and the session is here. Also, we store the culture, so English is the language. Table view, I will show you it later, and team is team here, so we can switch teams. We have light, dark, and system team, and the team is stored in the database. So if we switch to dark team, log out, and then we get this email and log in. But we now switch to light and log in. The team will be as we saved, so black. But I will switch to light for testing. So login user. Okay, refresh JWT token is working. Forgot password. So if we log out, log in, we forgot password. Hello, help me. So success, we can go here. Oh, but yeah, it's here. Test user, reset your password. New password. ASD. ASD. Oh, the new password should not be equal to the old one. So the validation is working. Let's go with 2 question marks. Reset password, and we can log in now with this password. So we are logged in as a test user, and we got the reset password email. So there's a bunch of authentication stuff, but I would like to show it because it's working, and yeah. So forgot password is working. We can reset our password. Update user called team. We can update this team, and it's stored in database. We can get all users and get selected users. also with pagination, sorting and filtering. I will show it here. So let's close it. So let's go to users tab, and we can we are seeing a new user here. It's us, and two other, and we have 3 other users. We can sort by username, email, and we can browse user playlists or check their roles. So here sorting is working, pagination is working, but it's too little records to filter. I will show paginations on links and playlists, and we can filter the data here. So let's see our features. We can get users. Okay, so there we go. Playlists, create playlists. So we can go to my playlists, or we can go to users and then to user, and we can click plus sign to create playlists. If we push create button, if we click this button, we will get the validation error. We can test, we can name it test playlist. Playlist, sorry. We can mark it as public or private. If it's public, the other users can see this playlist. It's private, will be private. The other users cannot see playlists. I will mark it as public. It doesn't matter now. If it's public, you can see it's public here. And yeah, we can create playlists. We can delete. We can update playlists. So test playlist 1 or something like that. Private, and now it's private and the name has changed. Or we can delete this playlist. Playlist test create. So let's go. What's now? Create, delete, update playlist, set as private, public. Now we have export and import playlist. Okay, but I will show it later. Maybe let's download playlist, my downloaded. Yeah, we can get all user playlists. So if we have now there, we can go to the admin user and to best songs. And now we are seeing my private playlist with a lot of songs. It's 1,254 songs, so that's a lot. And yeah, pagination is working. It's sorted by modified date, so the new added songs are on the top. We can sort by modified, by title, and we can search songs. So Miley Cyrus, and we are seeing the only Miley Cyrus songs. Yeah, so we have users, we have their playlists, and then inside the playlist we have the links. So that's as simple as that. How we create link in our playlist? Maybe I now sign in on admin account. Okay, because I will have my playlist here, and I will create new playlist, test. Then I go inside this playlist, and here you can create links. So I have some YouTube videos here opened, and then I go here to the app, paste this link, create. It's creating. Now the title is fetched from yt-dlp library, and here is the title, the link, and we have some actions here. I will talk in a sec. So now another song. Let's add some songs so we can download this playlist later. Yeah, so we have 3 songs on our playlist. Let's see. It's test playlist. We can go here and we have 3 songs. So create link is working, delete link, so we can delete this song. Yeah, it's working. Update link, we can change URL or title. So let's add this because I deleted it. And then we will edit video. So if we have this official video something, I don't want it. I just want to have the author and title, and we can mark as downloaded or change URL if we want. Oh yeah, the title is fixed now. Let's fix title here. I don't want this in my title. And here we can fix the letter from big letter, and yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Let's update. So we have 3 songs. Yeah, let's go here. Update is working. We can download link as MP3 or MP4 file. So we go here. What we want to download. Let's download this. We click here, download as MP3 file, and we are waiting. Yeah, we have downloaded file. Yeah, it's working. We have the miniature is downloaded, and here's an MP3 file. Also, our song is set as downloaded. We can fix it here if we don't want it. I will talk about this later. If we downloaded the song, it's marked as downloaded, and then when we download playlist, it's not getting downloaded another time, so it prevents from being downloaded. Okay, let's go there. We can download MP3 and MP4 files. Let's see MP4. What will be good for MP4? Maybe, or I don't know, this. And it can take some time because it's MP4, so it's a video, and I'm downloading a video now in the highest quality. So it can take a few seconds. Let's see what we gonna cover next. Download single link. So we don't have to add the link to the playlist, and we can download it. There is download link tab, and we can download just a single link from YouTube without creating a playlist, creating user and creating link. We can just paste link here, and we will get the link. Let's see, we have downloaded 1 song. Let's delete it for now, and we are waiting for the bigger file, but I promise you it will work. Oh yeah, it works. It worked, but look at that. We downloaded 400 megabytes, so it's quite a big file. Yeah, you know, and the title downloaded is the one we edited. So I think it's important to edit the titles here, so we can have titles that we want. And let's see, is it working? Yes, it's working. It's in the highest quality, so yeah, I really like that. Now let's go to our features. Download single link. So if I wanted to download, for example, this song as a link alone, I can pick it here and pick MP3 or MP4. I want MP3, so it will be faster. and I can just download this file. I don't need to add playlist and link here. I just click download, and that's it. There's one downside that I cannot specify the title being downloaded. So in my links I can edit title, but here you cannot edit title. And as you can see, results, we get success result, and we get our song here. Yeah, let's delete these files. I don't need it anymore. And let's see our feature list. So we can download single link, and then we can get the playlist. I showed it. We have this playlist view here, so we can also sort it here, and we can filters and paginate, but there's there are two less records here, so the pagination is not working, but here you can see it's working. Okay, let's go there, get all links, paginated, get public, okay, sorry, links, okay, paginated, and public playlist, user playlist, okay, we saw that. Selected playlist, selected link, okay. There is a nice feature, links, grid, and table view. So we can go here, we can go to test playlists that we created, and we can switch to grid view. And then we see the miniatures from YouTube. We can watch it from here. And what? There's a simple view to it's called table view because it's called grid view because it's like grid, and here you can switch to table view. Yeah, that's it, and it's saved here. So let me see it. Table view true, and now I click table view false, table view true. Yeah, and theme color is here, so when I switch, the theme is switching. Yeah, let's go. Another exciting features here. We can download and export playlists. It's very exciting. So we created playlist here. Let's mark all links as undownloaded, and we want to download all links not by clicking here, but just go there, and we can, as you can see, we can download playlists. We specify MP3 or MP4, and we just click download, and we see which link is getting downloaded now. So we have the percent, which is calling us how many songs left, and we can see results here, success or failed. It's success, so one song is downloaded, as you can see. And yeah, another one, Miley Cyrus Flowers. Let's see, it will complete. Yeah, success, 3 undownloaded links, and 3 successes. So we have the songs here. So we can create our playlist from links from YouTube and just download it by one single click here. Yeah, if we try to download it another time, we cannot. Why is that? It's because it's to prevent from downloading the downloaded songs. So we have downloaded songs here, we don't want to download it again. But if you want to download these songs again, you should go to links and set links as undownloaded. So yeah, it's all links are being set as undownloaded, and you can mark it also all links as downloaded if you don't want to download. But we will mark it as undownloaded, and then we can download it again. Yeah, loaded free undownloaded links, and we can just download it again. But we will we don't want it now. Download playlist only undownloaded links. Yeah, it's working. We can mark playlist links as downloaded and undownloaded. Yes, that's working. And now we have another exciting features, because if you want to share your playlist and give it to your friend, yeah, you can do it. So if I have a big playlist here and I want to give it to my friend or family member or someone, we can just export playlist as JSON and we will get this here. So let's see what's here. Oh, there's a lot of text here. Let's format this document. And we have a lot of links. And we can see links count and links models. And we can share these playlists and import from here. So we want to import this playlist that I shared. So I will test. Okay. I will mark it as public and I will add the JSON from downloaded best songs. Okay. Oh, the name is changing when I uploaded, but I want to name it best songs. I don't know, 2. So it's not like the first one playlist, and I will click import. And yeah, I have my new playlist, but new old playlist with all the links. So best songs 2 playlists have all the links that have been in this imported playlist. So I think it's amazing feature. To export this playlist, we can export playlist as TXT file. So let's see. But here we are exporting not titles and links, URLs, but we are exporting only URLs. And when we import it, it will be so slow if you import from URLs. Why? Because yt-dlp library needs to take this link and fetch the title, take this link, fetch the title, and more. So it will be long. So I recommend you to import and export playlist as JSON file. Yeah, that's it. Import and export as JSON. So I showed you all the features. But I will go from there. So I will go one more time to check if I showed you all features. So it's home page. You can download single link here. You can see the users here. You can see the playlists. There you can import playlist from JSON or text file. You can add playlists, you can update playlists, delete playlists, you can download this playlist as MP3 or MP4. Only downloaded, undownloaded links are visible here. And you can export as JSON or TXT, set as public and private. And there you have flag, so you can yeah, I'm here, and I can mark as downloaded. Downloaded, yeah, and it will all go green, as you can see, and I can mark as undownloaded, and it will be yellow. And if it's undownloaded, I can download playlists, and there are a lot of links to download. And if I go here, all are green, so there will be 0 links to download. What's more, if I go to links, yeah, I have the grid view. I will show it here. So it looks like this. Yeah. And you can just watch your MP3 files from there. Oh, I forgot about this feature. Is copy URL to clipboard, so the link is copied and you can paste it and watch this video on YouTube. And you have the same features on this view, like the grid and table view are the same, but grid view is fancier, I guess. Yes, and what's more, I think there are your playlists here. If you are logged in, you can check my project on GitHub. Give me a star if you want. And yeah, I will show you also the dark theme. So it looks like this. I really like that theme. I think it's good. It's good looking. Yeah, we have these songs, as you can see, and grid view. I think it looks sick. Let's start downloading this playlist with a lot of links and see how it's working, and I will end this this video. It's been long, but I wanted to cover a lot of things. So let's start downloading, and we have a lot of links here, and we're downloading this playlist. Let's see. Oh, it's failed. Why? Rollback transaction, server error. Okay, let's see. It can fail. Oh yeah. But just click another time to download this playlist and should work. Don't know what is what is failing, but you never know. And yeah, we have our songs here being downloaded. Yeah, that's it. As you can see. We can have fun with our songs, play inside Winamp or other music player, and have fun listening to music. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening to me, and yeah, have a good day. Peace.